Hello everyone. This month of November, do you know, is the month of my anniversary. This year, oh my God, love Ada will be 25 years in marriage. That means I'm 25 years. I married at the age of 23 years. And now 25 years in marriage. Oh my God. That means I've stayed in marriage more than the way I've stayed in my father's home. I married, I wedded 6th November 1999.
How did you find my daddy?
I didn't find your daddy. Anyway, how I met with your daddy.
Yes.
I met with your daddy in the church. Then, not really. I'm one of your daddy's fan. I normally see his flyers along the street. So, if I notice there is invited anywhere for music, I go there. So, but we have not met ourselves one-on-one. So one day he was invited to minister in our church. Do you understand? So I was so happy that you know what it is when Davido is coming to your church to minister. That my own husband was my Davido then. Why? So Papa sang. That's I was so happy that day. I dressed up. I was the usher. So, and my pastor told me that I'll be the one to welcome him. So I already know the guest speakers, their chair, people they will come in with. And that was when I shake him, I wanted to remove my hand. Oh yeah, shake me like this now. When I want to remove my hand, he hold my hand. He shake me again. He hold my hand again. He shake me again. I was like, oh wow. And I'll shout, "Kwam kwai, kwam kwai." So that was what I did. Then after that day, our keyboardist told me that he will be coming to the church on Saturday. He will be coming to the church on Saturday because he has a program around our church. He will be coming to the church on Saturday. And he wants to also meet with some of the ushers because he'll be having a program somewhere. So I'm the chief usher. So this is the opportunity for me to meet with him one-on-one. Do you understand? That was what I did. During that time, I rushed. I came in on time. I waited for him when he came. So we started chatting. Then he told me what he wants. Tell me places he have engagement that he's going to go for that engagement. So that means he have already told my pastor that I will be involved among the ushers there. That was how I also become one of your daddy's ushers in his music industry. Do you understand it? Any other question? Okay, so let me tell my fans, since you don't want so when I continued with him, one day I came to the venue and he was not around. Nobody was around. I was like, maybe there won't be practice that day. So I decided to go and go to their house because I know somebody told me their house. So I decided to go to their house. And when I get to their house, I met with the father, the dad. And the dad saw me and loved me a lot. And the man looked at me and told his son in my presence, get married to this girl. This girl will be the best thing that